Hello students, welcome to the English classroom. Today in this class, we shall study paragraph writing. We will see what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a piece of writing that consists of a group of sentences about one idea. It usually has 7 to 8 sentences. One sentence should lead into another in a sequence. So you see that a paragraph is a piece of composition. There are a group of sentences with complete meaning. You have to express your ideas in 7 to 8 sentences, and these sentences should be in a sequence. Now we will see what is the process to write a paragraph. What are the parts of a paragraph? A paragraph regularly has three parts. Topic sentence. It is usually the first sentence in a paragraph. We start the paragraph with the topic sentence. Supporting sentences. They support the information of the topic sentence. It includes specific details about your ideas. You have to organize your ideas and support the topic sentence. Specific details about your ideas are given in the form of supporting sentences. Conclusion. It reminds what the topic sentence was about. In the end, you will conclude your ideas in a concluding line. Now we will start a paragraph on importance of books. We'll start with the topic sentence. Books are our best friends. They are a storehouse of knowledge. They are useful to us in many ways. They demand nothing in return. We get a lot of joy after reading books. Books give us knowledge about the world. They also entertain us. They take us to a different world of imagination. We never feel alone in the company of books. Books play an important role in our life. We have started the paragraph with the topic sentence, which is in red color. Black color sentences are the supporting details, and blue sentence is the concluding sentence. We have to start the paragraph with the main theme, that is books. And then our ideas will revolve around the main theme only. We will tell about the uses of books. All the sentences should give details on the main theme in an interesting way. The last sentence, which is the concluding sentence, should present the ideas of the paragraph in a nutshell. Now we will write a paragraph on importance of trees. Beginning with the topic sentence, trees are very important in our life. Without trees, we cannot live. They give us fruits, flowers, medicines, paper, etc. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and give us oxygen to breathe. Many birds, animals, and insects live on trees. They make land fertile and bring rain on our earth. They also prevent floods. We should not cut trees as trees are our best friends. So students, we see that red is the topic sentence, black colored sentences are supporting details, and blue is the conclusion. Our ideas revolve around the main theme, that is trees. In the home task, you have to write a paragraph on importance of exercise. Thank you.